welcome to El Nido. This is the final destination for Jane and I on this trip. And we're just coming in to check it out today. We don't actually leave till tomorrow morning. It looks like a nice little place from here. Look at the backdrop though, these mountains. Absolutely incredible. So I'm guessing we're gonna go from over there somewhere. It's like the dock. So yeah, cool little place. I think we're gonna have lunch here. Nice. All right, we're gonna dock and then we'll see you later. So guess where we are? Yep, it's right. We're at the Canopy walk and it's high.
Okay, come here.
Look how high we are. I don't know how many feet it is up here. It's pretty amazing.
I reckon.
Yeah, it's the unsafest canopy walk I've ever done.
How many have you done?
One.
Okay.
Look how high we are. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. It's okay.
Ito.